Yo, what's going on, guys? So this is how to change your team name in FPL. So you cannot change it on the app directly. So what you're gonna do is scroll to the bottom of the fantasy section and click help and rules. After that, you're gonna see managing your team section. Click on it and then click how do I change my team. And then after that, you're gonna click team details. This will take you to a browser form of a FPL site. So you're gonna change your name there. So alternatively, you can go to the FPL website directly and you're gonna see the admin page at the bottom. So you can also change it on your desktop. So you're gonna log in the Fantasy Premier League. Alright, you're gonna click on pick team. Alright, then you're gonna find admin right there. Click the team details link in the admin. In the team details, you can see team name. You're gonna click on it and you can change your name up to 20 characters. So that is it.